Julian? Yeah.
Okay. The topic of my presentation is rendering. Rendering is a word related with computer graphics. First the agenda, first the definition, secondly the results, and finally the applications and some examples. But what is rendering? Rendering is the process of generating an image from a model by using computer programs. So we got a model here. It may be a CT three-dimensional model or just an Excel formula. So we got a model. After that, we map some geometry and make some process in order to generate the display, an image. Yeah? The rendering process is generate a model and the result is an image. But there are another results. To generate this geometry, I need an scene. An scene is a set of objects that are defined in a structured language, and it describes the geometry. So for example, in this image we can see the geometry. After that, I have a viewpoint that is a camera, so I need the position and the type of camera. I can add some texture. For example, here we have some textures. I need to add some lighting, so some lights and the position of the lights, and finally the shading to highlight the depth of the models. So one of the results of the rendering are the XIM file, but the final result is the image. So let's see some examples in some specific areas. For example, the urbanism. In urbanism, we have so many scales. For example, a city scale, or an apartment or a bedroom scale. So we can make some render, so how will the city looks like, or your apartment. When you are buying an apartment, you can generate one rendering of your future apartment. So this is a really useful application of rendering. Another so common, another so common example are the video games. So for example, here we have an image of Little Big Planet, or a more realistic render that is here, that it was generated by using the new console of Sony, the PS4. Finally, one application are the movies. But why in the movies? For example, in Lord of the Rings, it's really cheaper to generate the models, to add some animation to that models, and replicate those models, and for example, generate an scene with thousands of these kind of models. And another example is the movie The Caribbean, the Pirates of Caribbean. That when the director can use the imaging in order to generate this kind of rendering. Okay, I think that's all. Maybe I talked too fast, but that's all.